It's all good. Turn it up a bit. When I was younger, just a bad little kid, my mama noticed funny things I did, like shooting puppies with a BB gun. I bought some gummies, and when I was done, I found a pussycat and bashed his head. That's what my mama said.
What did she say?
She said, my boy, I think someday you'll find a way to make your natural tendencies pay. You'll be a dentist. You have a talent for causing things pain. Son, be a dentist. People will pay you to be inhumane. Your temperament's wrong for the priesthood, and teaching would suit you still less. Son, be a dentist. You'll be a success.
Here he is, folks, the leader of the pack. Watch him suck up that gas, oh my god. He's a dentist and he'll never ever be any good. Who wants their teeth done by the monkey decides?
Ooh, that hurts. Wait, nom.
Shut up, open wide, here I come. I am your dentist, and I enjoy the career that I picked. I am your dentist, and I get all from the pain I inflict.
Really love it.
I drill when I drill my cuspid. It's well though they tell me I'm adjusted, and though it may cause my patients distress, somewhere in heaven above me, I know that my mama's proud of me. Oh, mama, 'cause I'm a dentist.